Hey, okay, so we are live. I think I'm doing a live stream after quite a long time, and this is about the markets today. Of course, we will discuss meme coins, but guess what? The markets are back in action. You can see here, uh, when we talk about the Bitcoin and Ethereum, everything is up. So yeah, we will talk about this stuff, and just hold on a second. Let's wait for a few more minutes before we get started. So yeah, the markets are improving actually, and I'm quite happy that at least Bitcoin is up to 43. And of course, there are many reports which says Bitcoin will go to 100k, but let's see how it goes. But today, what we will focus on are the meme coins which are trending and which are becoming popular. And guess what? They are making people a lot of money. So these meme coins should be discussed. Of course, the recently added meme coin is Yotoshi, uh, Yoto. So I will talk about that also. I've covered that video yesterday, and of course, today is the day when we talk about Yotoshi, its white paper, and I will also take you through Jesus Coin, then GROK. So there are many, pump and dump are happening, but these tokens, I think, in 2024, if the Bitcoin picks up momentum, there are a list of meme coins which can really shine out of the blue, and they can really make you a hell lot of money if you enter at the right point. Now, before I, talk about all the stuff that is going on and talk about what is there in the crypto market, let me just tell you, invest only what you can afford to lose, and also everything I share is just for knowledge purpose only, and nothing here is financial advice. So please do your due diligence and research before investing into any token. So yeah, let's talk about the markets today. What is the market saying today? At today, as we see, Bitcoin is at 43k. Like I said, Ethereum is 22k. We are touching 25, hopefully by end of this month. And as we enter New Year, this is a good time, to plan your trades, to plan your investments. If you're planning to invest in meme coins, of course, I will show you which can be the potential meme coins from the list. So yeah, you need to stay tuned and watch this video as we progresses. So yeah, meanwhile, let's look at the comments once we get started. I'm just waiting for little more before I take things. Hi Sunrise, how are you? So yeah, so of course here Crypto Dunia, please suggest meme coin on INJ. What is that? Okay. You mean to say injective blockchain? So injective is quite, picking up, but I think the meme coins right now trending are for Solana. Of course, you have Ethereum. Ethereum is already there. So meme coins, number one is of Solana. Then you have uh, Ethereum, number two, and number three is you recently launched on Avalanche. But yeah, you should focus on Solana and Ethereum. And the third one if you are interested in meme coins, I think you should focus on, I can say this one, which is your base blockchain by Coinbase. So on Base, you have a lot of meme coins. You have meme coins on Ethereum, Solana, Base, and fourth is Cardano. So these are the four chains that are pumping up. They are releasing meme coins, and some of them are successful. I'm not sure about Injective because you need to wait for Injective. There's no, I haven't heard many meme coins coming from that chain. So you need to wait for that. The best and safest part is go with the chains which are already releasing meme coins in plenty. Like Ethereum is a known chain, it is releasing meme coin in plenty, so you can trust that. But of course, for meme coins to pump, you need a very high volume, and you can get those volume on top chains like Ethereum and Solana. So these two are the topics. So of course, there's a backstory behind Solana, why there are almost 6,000 meme coins that are being, their smart contracts are being deployed within 24 hours, like within one day. There's a complete backstory, all thanks to Bonk token. The success of Bonk token has led a rush of meme coin on Solana. So I think it will be competing with Ethereum in 2024. But let's see how it goes. So if you're someone in meme coins, you should take a note of Ethereum and Solana. Two blockchains are the one which will rule in 2024 when we talk about meme coin. Of course, Base is another my favorite one. which will also highlight a lot of meme coins. So as you can see in front of your screen, this is the total meme coin market cap, and this video is about discussing meme coins, the upcoming, the established, and what all to expect, the top meme coins which I have figured out for myself, so they can really bring you money in 2024, as I believe. So you can see here the market cap is right over here, and if you go down, there's a big upset in the form of Bonk and Pepe. So you can see here, it happened this week. If you are not aware of what is Bonk, there's a video of Bonk I have created. You can visit my channel. Bonk is a meme coin which was freely airdropped to all Solana users in Christmas 2022, and it has no value at the time. So, but now this token has pumped like crazy. And if you know about the story of Solana Saga smartphones, which Solana failed to sell at that time. Now those phones are selling like hotcakes to as high as $5,000 because those Solana smartphones come with a free Bonk token airdrop. So that's why. So that's the craziest part because you know anything can happen in crypto. Anything can happen. If you're holding a token, if you're holding a meme coin and you think it doesn't have value, yes, it may not have value at the moment, but who knows what will happen in future? We don't know anything. Even the grok token was not it was not and nothing new. It was launched way back, but now it is pumping like crazy. Same goes with the Jesus coin, which is also a meme coin. That token pumped, then died for several months, and now back up again, and now hitting all-time high in the month of December because Christmas is near. Yeah. So let me just go to the comment one second and see here. Okay. Good afternoon, Shakespeare, and yes, I know story. Yeah, yes, Crypto Dunia is a big story about you have Jesus, you have Grok, you have all these meme coins, Bonk. They have a very interesting story. So the meme coins are hit because of the backstory. If you have a backstory of a meme coin, those meme coin has a high chance of pumping rather than a meme coin which is just launched, pump and dumped. Like Yotoshi is a meme coin. It has a backstory to it. Because of that backstory, this meme coin has a high chance of pumping in the future. And today I will take you through that. But you can see the list right over here in front of you. This is the total list. If you follow 9gag, I think you should also check out meme coin because this is a coin by 9gag. I have covered this I think few months back in my video. Meme coin belongs to 9gag, the team 9gag that publish funny videos on Instagram or Facebook. So you can check this out also. Of course, Corgi AI is new. It's pumped. It has made its way. But yeah, Bonk is the one that surprised everyone. Whether it's a lot of news and market cap. Of course, the airdrop was a shocker. So if you're holding Solana, if you held Solana like in the last year during the Christmas 2022, you should check out your wallet. You must be having the Bonk token in your account, right? So today, I think we should focus on Yotoshi first before moving on to Jesus because there is some news about Jesus token also. Its 80% supply is about to be burnt on 25th of December 2022. And if I show you, let me show you Jesus. So Jesus WETH, I think this will you can see. This is a meme coin, Jesus, which is pumping. It's just pumped, like it's died and then pumped back up again. So again, the big event is coming for Jesus, but again, I will talk about that. But let's focus on Yotoshi. So this is the meme coin which was launched like few days back, and the moment it get launched, you start getting traction. So as I say, there's a backstory behind any successful meme coin, and that's why you need to know that story before investing into any meme coin. Just do not just invest and buy some lot of quantities. Know the backstory. If there are stories interesting, I think it will definitely pump in future. So fire to come is asking where can I buy Yotoshi from? It's not on Bitro. So you can buy Yotoshi from Radium Dex. Yes, let me show you right away. Radium Dex. So if you go to the main website, I have shared a link in the description. All the links are shared. You can check that out. So yotoshi.io is the main website. And if you go down here, you can click, you can see here the option buy Yotoshi now. Okay. So click on this buy Yotoshi now. Let me just open it, and it will take you through Radium Dex. If you are familiar with Uniswap or PancakeSwap, you will know what is this. This is a decentralized exchange, and here you can swap Sol with Radium. So you can Sol with Yotoshi. So you need to have the smart contract with you to trade this token. Of course, smart contract I have shared in my post, the link of which I have already shared in the description. So this is a smart contract. It is right over here. Copy this up and go to swap, and this is what you do. You paste the real smart contract of the Yotoshi token, and once you do that, you can connect your wallet and make a purchase. So that's about it. So this is the official token of smart contract of Yotoshi. See, it's written Yotoshi token with a total supply of nearly 280 billion tokens, and yesterday it has around 2500 holders. So within one day, within 24 hours, now it has 1000 plus holders increased. So yeah, people are buying it because it has a backstory, and that backstory we will discuss today. And of course, uh, Radium is the only platform right now where you can purchase this token if you want to purchase it. And of course, it is not yet listed on any exchange, no centralized exchange yet. So of course, huge potential in the long term and the short term, especially at this time, because no listing is confirmed. No listing is confirmed. So this is Yotoshi. So what is Yotoshi? So Yotoshi is actually the first meme coin of Kespa blockchain. So Kespa is actually not a blockchain; it's a DAG. Which is directed acyclic group. That is quite technical thing, which works like blockchain but not in a linear fashion. So there's a whole technicality behind it. But let me put it straight: it is like equivalent to that of blockchain. It has fast TPS, strong fast TPS, quick finality. So Kespa is one token that you should also look at if you're planning to invest something apart from uh, real world scenario, like out of the world token. It is like Kespa. This is Kespa. So the Yotoshi token represent this token, which is Kespa chain or Kespa DAG, right? So Yotoshi community was created. The token community created this token, Yotoshi token. The Kespa take sorry. So Kespa is the main token of which Yotoshi token is derived. Now Yotoshi is the meme coin that represent the Kespa token. So you will ask why it is not on Kespa chain, why it is on Solana blockchain. There's again a reason behind it. I will explain that when we go through the white paper. So if you're knowing the backstory, you should know that Yotoshi is not a standalone token. It has a connection with Kespa. So it is called the Yotoshi or Yoto token is called the first meme coin of the Kespa blockchain. It is for the Kespa community to spread awareness about the Kespa DAG, which is directed acyclic group, right? So that's a kind of backstory it has. So that's why this can have some potential because it is pretty new, very new. The story is building up slowly and slowly. People are talking about it. So again, the meme coin with a good story pumps. The meme coin with a bad story dumps. So that's as simple as it goes, as I can say. Yeah. So Yodo is here. So let's talk about its white paper. So let me show you the price action of it first. So this is the price action. So on Dex tools, if I you paste the smart contract, you will get this chart. And if I go to daily chart, you can see it has a data of almost 4 days only. So according to Dex tool, it is live on 20th of December 2023. So today is 23rd. So 3 days old. So again, very early, very, very early. If you want to enter into meme coin, this can be a chance. Of course, not financial advice, but again, this is kind of quite early to enter into this token. Yoto, just 4 days old according to Dex tools. So yeah, while other tokens like Bonk, like Pepe, even recently GGS, they are quite old tokens now. If you look at GGS, you can see the daily chart. It is live at around at this point in time, which is April 25th of April, and here we have 23rd of 20 sorry 20th of December. So we are at 23rd of December. So clearly You are very early if you have figured out this meme coin, very early, I can say that, I can say. So yeah, that's the one advantage you can have, being early, being having the first mover advantage. When the token is not listed on any exchange, it is trading only on one dex, that is your Radium, only on one dex. It is not trading anywhere, it is just trading on Radium, and you can only buy this token on Radium. You cannot buy it from anywhere. So very limited buying zones. So that's why the token has a lot of potential to spread and lot of growth area, because it is just new. It is very new, and it is not yet on the, you can say, in this list of the meme coin category as yet. So yeah, that is quite a positive news, if I can tell you. And this is the white paper. They have a white paper. Yes, the meme coin has a white paper. Guess what? How many meme coins have you seen that have white paper? I think there are very few, almost, couple of them, maybe one or two. And having a white paper is kind of crazy for a meme coin, because meme coin hold no intrinsic value. They don't have any, real life use case. It is totally community driven. That's why backstory is built, and that's why these token pumps, else they will just die within days of launch. So this is a Yotoshi white paper. And again, the first thing first, why it is created, and why it is created on Solana chain. So they have clarified it on the first paragraph itself, when they said they wanted to fork Caspa and would copy the open source code while continuing copying the updates. So that means they want to make a fork of Caspa, which is this token, the actual token. They want to make a fork of this token, and they then tried to launch a meme coin with naming Yoto. But they stopped it because, according to them, according to the creators of Yoto, it is believed that it will, this act, the act of forking Kespa and making a meme coin out of it, will be dishonoring the Kespa code and also the founder of Kespa, who is this guy right over here, Jonathan. Jonathan. So it's a very big name, right? So to just to out of respect, they did not use Kespa fork to launch this token. Otherwise, they used Solana. Now, why they used Solana? Because of one single commonality between Kespa and, of course, this, which is Rust. Rust is a language, programming language on which Solana Solana support this language. Like Ethereum supports Solidity. Similarly, Solana supports Rust. So that's why they created this token. They launched a smart contract on Solana, which is created in Rust. So Rust is what is going to move Kespa into the realm of possibility that crypto Bitcoin never saw possible. So that is the reason why they launched this token on Solana blockchain. So again, I'm telling you why I'm telling you this, because this is a backstory. Everything is connected. So they are building up a story before making a token viral, right? So this is slowly and slowly connecting, and that's why, of course, I will take you through the what is saying. Yes, yes, 95% is community owned. That is true. That is very true. And I haven't shown you the market cap at now. So you can see the market cap is $20 million right now. Liquidity is right over here. You can see right over here. The market cap and every details are given here. So this, just check out this area. This is by Dex Tools, and you can see here, within few days, this token has managed to hit this number. So that is very interesting for a meme coin. And again, if you're watching this video, if you're watching this live stream, you are actually very early into a meme coin. Guess what? If you're waiting for such opportunity, to enter early into a project, this can be your opportunity, because this is a holiday season. People are not focusing much on markets. They are enjoying their holidays, and you are here watching this video, knowing that this token has a high chance of pumping. Guess who will celebrate when we enter 2024? It's you guys, right? That is pretty much possible. I hope so that happens, but finger crossed. Let's see where it goes from here, right? So this is about the market cap, and if you go back to the white paper, so yeah, like I said, they have they decided to enter into Solana. Using Solana, we are able to put Caspa in front of others who would possibly never find it. So that means this token is launched on Solana to basically popularize Caspa chain. Casper token is also one of the very famous token, but not many people are aware of it. Not actually in the mainstream. So that's why this token is created to popularize the Casper token. Yeah, it is my responsibility, correction, our responsibility to share Casper with the world. I do this laboriously. Now we move forward as Casper has found its way into the circle of inner circles and sparked the best minds of mind. Yotoshi exists solely spotlight its forefathers' promise. So again, clearly, Yotoshi, this meme coin is created purely to popularize the Kespa community, which is holding the Kespa token. So Kespa again is a good project. You should check it out. I have created a video on it. You can check the description, or you can watch my videos from my channel. I have created a dedicated video. It is now at 10 cents, which is very undervalued. If you go down here at Kespa, it has reached 15 cents all-time high on November 19th. So again, still undervalued. So again, that's why this is the backstory right over here. So again, the another conspiracy theory behind this token is that many believe the founder of Casper token is actually Satoshi Nakamoto. Yes, and this is here is Jonathan Yotoshi, our beloved creator of Caspa, the true founder of Bitcoin, because they have given a lot of proofs that Jonathan, the founder of Caspa, is also the founder of Bitcoin. And you have this post by Galaxy Pals that did some research and found out that the real Satoshi is the founder of Caspa. Of course, this is a conspiracy theory. Uh, you can study it. You can study it through their articles, through their white paper. You will know what they are talking about. So again, a new meme coin called Yotoshi that will let you join our hilarious and semi-serious conspiracy theory that Jonathan Yoto is secretly Satoshi Nakamoto wearing a very thin disguise. So again, comment below and let me know. Do you think the founder of Caspa is actually Satoshi Nakamoto, which is the founder of Bitcoin? What are your thoughts? What do you think of this? What do you make of this? It is can it be true that the founder Jonathan is actually the real Satoshi Nakamoto? Yeah. What are your thoughts? Very interested to hear it. Yes, big news is coming. So if you go down, so this is about the this is a profile of Jonathan. You can see so many depicted as him as the founder of Bitcoin. But again, no one knows who's the founder of Bitcoin. But yeah, there are theories that this guy is the founder of Bitcoin and he created Caspa. So again, as a dedication, you have Yotoshi token right over here, right? So yeah, moving ahead, this is a kind of conspiracy theory. Yeah, you can read out the white paper, you will understand what I'm talking about and what is it all about. But if you go down here, the next thing, the interesting part of it is looking at the tokenomics. Yes, this is the best part which everyone look forward to. Of course, you know the supply, it is pretty much equal to 280 billion tokens. Let me see you so show you right here 2799992848898. So 280 billion tokens. If I refresh it, so right now 3913 holders. Let me see if this number has increased or decreased. So 3913, see 3922. So even when I'm doing this live stream, people are buying this token right now. So in front of me, just in front of you guys, there were 3913. So almost 9 users have bought, or 9 people have bought this token within the last 5 to 10 minutes. So you can see here, this token has been bought 1 minute, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. So a lot of buying is happening. So again, if you are watching this, I'm telling you, you are very, very early into Yoto. Very, very early. You can see I have just proved it. Just refresh the smart contract. I'm going to refresh it again, and people are buying it like crazy, and only few knows about it. What's going on? Yeah. So this is about it, and let's go to the supply. So once we go to the supply, you can see the tokenomics public launch 95%, which is good. Which is good. 95% is for the public. That makes it quite decentralized. Of course, many meme coins are like that, and You can see the other part: marketing, founders, developers, airdrops. So airdrops, I think, are for those who will hold this token for a certain amount of time. And it has written below: to those to whom are loyal, you will see what we mean later. So this is a clue. A clue is given here. So if you're holding this token, which is Yoto token, for quite some time, maybe for few months, I think they are going to give you some more tokens because you're holding Yoto token. Because in the airdrop normally happens, the people who hold a token will get more tokens because showing the loyalty towards the project. So that's why it is saying. But again, it is a double-edged sword, because if there's chances of rug pull, you will you believe in airdrop, you know what I mean. So if there is chances of rug pull, there's chance that you can holding the tokens, and the developers sell out all the tokens, but to lure you, uh, to wait for the airdrops, you don't sell, the token pumps, and the developers take away the tokens. But again, I don't think that should be the case with Yotoshi. So they are giving a airdrop feature for you guys. If you're holding this token for a certain amount of time, you will get free airdrops. So that's about it. Again, focus on the 95%, which is public launch. So that is not kind of unique, because many other meme coins have such feature. But again, they have made it quite clear. So yeah, kudos to them. So this is about tokenomics, and this is about the Yoto token. Very early, and you know, just confirm. Cancel. Okay. So I'm not sure how much supply is left on Radium. I think the website should display one more message, and you can see the contract from here. And again, they have given Yotoshi now. I think they should also put their token on Orca, which is also a DEX on Solana. So that can be good. So this is one token that you should look for moving into 2024, and because it's very early, just 3 days old. And of course, you can check out the numbers, check out the chart right over here, right? So this is one token, but another token that you should also look for is this coin, which is Jesus coin. So apart from Yoto, you have another token to look for. If you're interested in Bitcoin, go check out this Jesus coin, which is kind of crazy. It has the craziest pump and dump, and again pumped. See the flow wave pattern: pumped, dumped, and now pumped back up again. So this is the power of Jesus coin. It never died. This token never died. So this is another meme coin which I am bullish about. And guess what? If you look at the tokenomics of Jesus token, it has supply of 777.77 trillion tokens, and 80% of its supply will be burned in the next 2 days, in the next day actually, which is 25th of December this year on Christmas. This token is burning 80% of the supply, and this can pose a big competition to the Yoto's future. So this is one coin to look at, and then you have GGS to look at, because these two tokens can really take off. Of course, GGS has already taken off. So if you are entering now, you may be late, but if you're entering on Yoto, you can be still early into it. So that I can say for sure, because GGS is around launched in April, and Yoto is around launched like 3 4 days back. You can see from the holders, just 3922 holders. And I have to check the holders of GS coin here. Let me copy it and go to Etherscan, check to compare the number of holders it has. So if you go here, so you can see GS coin has 12,623 holders against Yoto, which has just 3,922 holders. Let me refresh it again. Let me see if the number has increased or decreased. 3922, 3925. People are buying this token as we speak, as I'm creating the video. People are buying this token right now. So, again, a huge demand for the meme coins. That is kind of cool. That is kind of crazy in the holiday season. Okay, Okay, so in the comment section, let me just look at here. So many says, Kyle say It's a bit off. Okay, Sunrise say Yotoshi Satoshi. Stealth Dad say Jonathan is 100% Satoshi. Of course, many believe that. And it's Caspa. It's not Casper. Casper is actually a different thing. Caspa is different thing. So if you want to, so the fire to come, Caspa is actually not a meme coin. Caspa is actually a DAC, which is kind of similar to that of, tech is similar to Hedra, but not actually blockchain. So this is Caspa. If you are not aware of Caspa, and Yotoshi is the meme coin, the first meme coin of Caspa. So this is Caspa. You can check on there's a video. I think I haven't shared it, but I will share it in the description of this video. I've already talked about Caspa, I think few months back when it was pumping. So yeah, that was the time back then. But again, Yoto, you're early. Jesus, you are a bit late, but not very late. I think you have to wait for 25th of December when 80% of this supply is going to get burnt. Once the supply is burnt, of course, I think the number of holders can increase or maybe they will dump. We don't know. So I will say right now, if you are looking to invest in a meme coin, Yoto can be a choice. Of course, because it's very low. Even if it dumps, even if it goes down here, you won't lose much of the money. Okay, you won't lose much. But if you invest in tokens like which is already on top of their game, like Jesus is already hitting all-time high at this point. So there are chances that you will definitely, won't make profit at this stage because it has to pull back to value before going up. So that's about the Jesus coin and just about the Yoto. So again, Yoto is being early, you have a advantage. And the another token that I will talk about is of course Bonk is there. So Bonk I'm not covering right now because Bonk has already, you know, pumped a lot. If you look at Bonk, so this token made Solana blockchain famous for the meme coins. So yeah, this is Bonk. You can see already this token has pumped already. Let me show you. It's already listed on MX. You can see I have covered this, and from the chart here, you can see Bonk has already pumped a lot. So I don't think it's a good buy at this moment. It can be a good buy later, but not now. It is pulling back. If you are interested in buying Bonk, you need to wait further. You need to wait further, wait for it to go down more, and then make your decision. So it is going back here. I think it will stagnate right over here, and this can be the buying zone for Bonk. But again, between Bonk and Yoto, of course, Bonk is quite stable right now, so you get your hands on it. But if you want to risk a bit, I think Yoto is a good buy. It is just 3 days old, and if you look at the hourly chart or maybe the 4 hour chart, you can see the 4 hour chart, the Yoto, how it is going slowly and on an uptrend. So that's a complete chart in front of you of Yoto token. Very small chart because it is very new, and of course, it can be a bit risky at the moment because we don't know uh, where it will go from here. But again, being early has its own risk and advantages. Big risk, but here I think this risk is not big. It's small risk and big advantage. That is what I can say about Yotoshi. The third token that I'm quite interested to talk about is definitely GROK. So Grok is one of the token which has taken the limelight, especially after the Twitter introduced Grok AI. So this is Grok token, very good website. I think they have revamped it, and there are a lot of tokens which are debited as Grok. So people are confused which Grok to go for and which one to buy, which one to ignore. So this is the official website of Grok, which is grokcoin.meme. I have already covered this in my videos. Of course, you can check them out. So if you want to buy this token, if you don't buy, if you want to look at this token, remember this is a smart contract from their website grokcoin.meme. This is the original Grok. There are tons of Grok. So people are getting confused. If you click on buy Grok, you will get it on Uniswap. But also this is also listed on a lot of centralized exchange now. It's big. It's very big now. If you go down here, the website is loading. 1 second. Let me just refresh it and show you right away. Oops, 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 oops. So meanwhile, I think this is where you can get this token, ETH. And if I enter the smart contract of this one, this is GROK. So again, I can see GROK here, right? Just swap it. For ETH to GROK, for 1 ETH, I'm getting around this money GROK token, 300K. Nice, nice, because its value is very high. Actually, GROK is very high now in value. If you look at GROK, is on MEXC, Poloniex, you can see 0.007. So this token is already dumped. So again, if you believe this token can pump, this can be the right time to get into it because it is already very low. I think it could go a bit low, but if I look at this chart, if I draw some lines for you, this can be the baseline. And again, we are hitting only at the bottom. So either it can go down more. If it go down more, it will crash. It will die. But if by some miracle, if it pumped, that means it has a high chance of pumping, back up again, which means going down here, consolidating here, and then pumping right here. So this is another token you should take a look at because the technicals are quite supportive at the moment. And I think GROK has a chance to go back up again because we are at the verge of a bull market. If it resumes, if Bitcoin cross beyond 50K, I think these token will also pump. So this can be a good buying zone for GROK. Of course, Yoto is my top pick today because of its being early, being the early adopter. Very new compared to all other meme coins that I talked about. GJ is there, which is also good. The meme coin GROK is there, and again the website is loading. But again, this can be a good buy according to the technicals. So I can say that. Meanwhile, let me just read the comments. Okay, Kespa meme, far to come. Kespa, yes, Kespa has a huge growth potential. I can definitely say it is not a meme coin. First of all, Kespa is not a meme coin. It's Yotoshi Yoto is the meme coin. So that is let's make things clear first of all because Kespa is actually equivalent to a blockchain. It's a very good project when it comes to transaction. You can mine Kespa. Let me tell you, you can mine Kespa. Okay, and I will buy on Kespa, of course. I doubt it goes under point 0.8 to my support, of course. If BTC drops, I just bought more Yoto. Wow. Just bought more Yoto than your, I think. Let me just refresh the smart contract here. So right now, 3925 is the number. I'm going to refresh this smart contract right now in front of you. So we started at around 3913. So yesterday it was 2600 something, 2600. And let's see, will it increase from 3925? Will the number of holders increase? Let me just refresh it. And oh, little bit decrease, 3923 we have now. Yeah, kind of tussle going on. But again, number of buyers are bigger than number of sellers. So good for the Yoto token. Holders are this much. These wallets are holding 2% of the supply. Very big number of holders we have. Analysis 3923. What is this? Other accounts. This one is for this wallet. So again, this number will increase because if you look at this tokenomics of Jesus coin, it has 12,000 holders and we are just scratching the surface with 3923 token. Yeah. So this is about Yoto and this is about Jesus. Watch out for Jesus token 80% supply burning process on uh, tomorrow, which is on Christmas, at this time 2056 UTC. So take note, this can be a good event to watch for to understand how far, what will the reaction of the the holders, maybe buyers and seller, for this day, because everyone is waiting for this token to pump on 25th. So it has already pumped actually, but again, you need to watch out for 25th of December for Jesus token. And then finally we have Grok. I can cover Bonk also. Bonk, but again, Bonk is like another thing now. It's actually, that is a gone case because it's airdropped to Solana users now. So I don't think there's a meaning. You know there's a any chance that you should buy it, because of course there are many holders right now. It has already pumped, but it is pulling back to value. So again, it can become a good buy in few days from now. In few days from now, Bonk can be a good buy, because if you can look at this part, it is going to pull back. It has to pull back here to this level from weekly and consolidate here and then maybe go up. But that will take, I think, some time. So Bonk may not be a good buy at the moment. Yoto can be a good buy. GJS, wait for 25th, then try to enter, because GJS is all time high. So I won't recommend buying it right now. Maybe waiting and buying it. Grok is another token which again you should look at, because Grok is a very interesting point. If this meme coin can pump and it has reached the perfect buy zone, the Grok token has reached the perfect buy zone. That is according to me. Because if it goes below, it will crash. That is the death of Grok. But this zone, which is 0.006, is the zone, is the buying zone for Grok right now. That is what I believe. So yeah, Yoto is definitely 3 days old. Of course, not listed anywhere. It can really pump. That is true. That can be possible, depending upon its official Twitter handle. Of course, that I believe they will do. They are working on it. They are putting in the work. They are putting in the post. Let me show you Twitter right over here. Twitter handle. So this is Yotoshi Twitter handle, and again, this is the smart contract. So if you don't know what the smart contract is, any information, check out their official Twitter handle. Of course, I will share on my uh, post also. I've written a post on this Yotoshi. This is my post on Yotoshi, and I have shared the link. I have already told how you can buy it, and I have broken down the tokenomics part here. 280 billion supply, and again, this is a smart contract which I've already shared in the post details. So you can always check this out and get some info. So yeah, the page is active. 1 hour back, they have said release this post. So much love for Yotoshi. Keep it coming. Yotoshi is here to support all content creators. All content creators. We all are Yotoshi together. Okay, okay. So this is good. This is good. This is good. You missed out when Kespa was point. Here's your ticket to one last go. Okay. So yeah, yes, Kespa was at this point, and of course I missed Kespa when it pumped to 10 to 15 cents. But again, hopefully this token can go beyond that. And yeah, if you're watching this, I always say you are very early if you're watching this video. I can really say that. So this is what Grok. This is about Yotoshi, and again, before I, let me just put thing like this, that everything I share is just for knowledge purpose only. Nothing here is financial advice. Please do your due diligence and research. But again, check for technicals, because in meme coins, technicals and backstory, they have a lot of role to play, and that's why always check the backstory before investing into any token. So fire fake clock. Hi brother. Hi fake clock. Again, Grok is also on Bytrue. Yes, Grok is on a many website. I don't know why its uh, website is not opening up. I'm quite surprised. Right again, Grok coin. It is still loading. I'm not sure why it is not up today. So maybe some work they are updating the website. So Grok is one token. Let me show you here also, so that find out easily. If you can search here, Grok. So this is the Grok, the actual Grok token. 0.007 is the value, and They have given the website here, but the website has changed now. It's not grokerc.com anymore. So yeah, this is actual grok, and I think it is reaching all-time low once again. So it can be a good buy if it pumps again. I'm not sure whether or not this token will pump in future, but if it pumps, then we are at the buying zone of grok. Yeah. So this is about grok. Yotoshi is here. This is the Yotoshi. So keep checking their Twitter handle if you're interested in Yoto token, because that is the place where you can get all the information. Of course, my channel is there. My Telegram group is there. So you can always jump back, join my Telegram. The link is shared in the description. You can if you want any information, I'm there to help you out. So join my Telegram. It's the link is shared, and you can get all the info. The people are there to help you out, and you can subscribe my channel to get the latest updates. So a lot of information are shared on a daily basis. So this is one of the token which I discovered just after the launch, and I shared it, and it pumped. And I hope if you're following me regularly, you must have made a money before the pumping of Yotoshi token. So that is kind of a crazy thing that can happen for anyone in the holiday season. So here we are talking about Yotoshi, talking about Kespa, talking about Jesus, Grok, Bonk. There's other token also, that is Gecko. Then you have fraud. So all these meme coins are coming back up again and making people money. Of course, the it all started with Pepe in the month of, I think it was in March or April, and later we are ending the year with again meme coins. So meme coins are here to stay. Of course, the backstory is very much essential for a meme coin to become famous. And for you as a token holder, do not just jump into buying the token. You need to check the smart contract, because there are a lot of copies. The scammers spread a lot of duplicate copies of the same name, which means there may be copy like grok. You have not one grok, there are many grok tokens. So you need to figure out which one is correct by going to the right information. If you're not able to find it, you can just join my Telegram or subscribe to my channel, and I help you supply the correct version of the smart contracts. You can buy, make your purchase decision, and won't get scammed. So that's the whole part of meme coin. In the place of meme coins, it's high chance of getting scammed if you're new. So if you want to wait, it's okay to wait for the token to list on exchanges, centralized exchanges, and then buy it. But again, you will be late for that time. But if you want to be early, you need to make a purchase on decentralized exchange. Like Yoto token is right now trading on Radium, so it is trading on this exchange only. There's no other place where this token is trading. Even the website, the Yotoshi website, says that you can buy from the Radium website only. Other website, if it's available, that won't be the real token, right? So that's why I can say that. Okay, thanks Honest Crypto. Thanks for that. You made my Christmas better. Thank you, guy. Thank you, host Honest Crypto. Thank you. Really love that offering. Yes, I actually loved Yotoshi. I love the backstory, so that's the reason I shared it. That's the whole point of sharing about, let me just star market. Let me show you. So, all thanks to Honest Crypto. Your comment is highlighted here. Thanks for donating, supporting my work. Thank you very much. Love you, love you, man. So, yeah, coming back to talking about uh, where we are, about this part, which is your where I was. Yeah, here, Hitoshi. So Radium is only Dex which is listing this. So again, if you are new, if you're pro, you already know how to buy it. If you don't know, contact them on Twitter or join my Telegram. I will tell you how. But again, be an early investor, or if you're an early investor, has its own advantages, and you can see we are very early on Yotoshi. Like I always say, let me expand this chart. Why it is I'm showing small to you. So this is Yoto. Yeah. If you go to one day, if I cancel this, so this is the actual chart of Yotoshi in front of you, right in front of you, right? There's no hidden fact. It is brand new. And now compare it with Grok. Yeah. So this is Grok. So if, let's say if this is Yotoshi, you are actually right over here on this candle. And there's a long way to go for this token to pump. And again, going back to Yotoshi chart. So this is Yotoshi. Let me zoom out. A big room is waiting, which means a big room for here for a token to go up or down or whatever. It's waiting. Big room of growth is there. So we are very early. Even if the token dumped, let's say it goes to zero, right? If it goes to zero also, you won't lose much because you are risking, your risk is very low and your reward is very high. So that is the beauty of this token, the meme coin, entering early and exiting at the top. That is only you can make money in a meme coin, and that's why this token is quite special to me because this was discovered just moments after the pump. And yeah, if you are invested in it, congratulations, you are very early. Even if you lose your money, even if you lose all your money, I don't think that will be much. So like I say, only invest what you can what you can afford to lose. One second. Ah, guys, been talking for a lot of time. So yeah, positive sentiments around Yoto. Good story, I can say. The checklist is here for the meme coin. It should have a good story. Yes, Yoto has a good story. Does it have a good website? I think the website is quite decent. That's another check. Other thing is, does it have a good Twitter page? The Twitter page is already pretty nice. Already 2000 plus followers, within the few days of launch. So that is quite good actually. So all things are pointing towards, I don't think any negative. The only negative that may happen is that the developers leave the project. Even if you look at the tokenomics, that is quite positive. You can see the tokenomics, public launch, marketing, founder, quite open ended. The white paper is there talking about the reason why this token is created. So all the reason, there's a backstory with every meme coin, and this meme coin has a very good backstory to back it up. It is not just put in the market and just for the people to make money and go away. The dex score is at the time is 50 out of 99, but again it's very new, so it will switch, so that can change. 50-50 is good. Low risk high reward is the token right now. That is the condition with the one second condition with this token. Uh, so my pick will be, definitely I can choose some for Yoto by investing very little. And if I lose that money also, I think that will sufficient because I can always make it up quickly. But if you enter into these website, like if you enter into Grok, this is in the good zone. But if you go with the GGS, which is also a very good meme coin and a very good community, but it is already reached its peak. Now it is reaching at its peak. One second. Yeah, just look at the change. If you bought GGS here at this point in time, or maybe here when it was here in this zone, you have made a good amount of money already. So if you're buying it right over here, I don't think that will be a good buy. So wait for 80% of supply one of GGS to get into this token. For Grok, the buying zone is good, but yeah, that up to you to decide whether the token will pump again or not. For Bonk, I don't think Bonk has a good buying zone at the moment. Let me review it once again. Yeah. So Bonk doesn't have a good buying zone. It will fall. It has a big room to fall, right? To recover back again. And finally, when we look at Yoto, it has a very big room for growth, right? So again, very early, good time to buy. Of course, not financial advice, but again, that is up to you to decide whether to take this risk or not. like a meme coin. Meme coins are mostly pump and dump, but again, this looks interesting. This looks fascinating to me. And being an early creator, early, being very early into this project, make me excited, to invest in this token because yeah, of course, once you discover something which no one else, only few people discovered, of course, you want to jump in and get onto the train. Even if you lose money, there's always a risk of it, being risk of an early advantage, early movers, and being risk of late movers. So you have to decide for yourself which one you should go for. Let me look at the comments here, right over here. Uh, Buying Yoto and Rue, okay, on Radium. Yes, it's on Radium. Is Casper Devs behind Yoto? I think so. That's not clear actually. I'm not sure whether Caspar Dev is around Yoto. They have allocated funds to devs also. So yeah, that can be possibility, but I'm not 100% sure. Because if you look at the white paper, they are giving 1.1428% to or 3.2 billion token to developers. So maybe there's an overlap between Caspa and developers of Yoto, but there's no clear cut information they have shared that those are the same dev that have developed Caspa. Yeah, so can't say about that. Of course, Yoto, not the devs. It could be Rug. Possible, may not be possible. Let's wait and watch. Looks like a decent time to buy right now. Yes, very early. Very early we are. Another comment is what's the dex score? Already shared. Is a good entry point. I think the token is going down right now because we are in the holiday season, so people are not buying it much. So you can check out to check the growth of a token. You should check out its number of holders, right? Apart from the price action, so this is the price action. I think it will go down a bit. Look at the chart, 1 hour chart, and let me just put some of my technicals here, indicators that will help. Let me put moving average exponential. Okay, so this one, so this will give you an idea whether this token is crashing at the moment or going up. So I need to go to settings, change it to 20, 20. Okay, I think it is on the verge of a pullback, maybe. Yeah, so you can see right over here. So this is quite clear from the chart. So token has pumped a bit after it was in the news, and then it kind of pulling back to value, which is right over here. So either it will stagnate right over here for some time because we have a holiday season coming. So people are not buying and selling. They are not trading. This week is going to be the lowest. The lowest number of trades are going to be in this week. The lowest. So you may see this token stagnate or in this zone only. Right. That can be a possibility. But another thing is that let me just draw a fib retracement and show you. So yeah, it is on a support zone. So possible that this will stagnate in this zone for quite some time. And after that, after being stagnated, it can go back or maybe pick up the trend. So this can be a good buying zone. I can say that. This can be a good buying zone. It can go down, then it will crash. If it will go up, it will pump. So this is the two areas. So if it goes down, it's not going to recover anytime soon. Or if it goes up, of course, then that will be a good pump for this token. So Yotoshi is actually in a very good buying zone at the moment. That, according to me, I can say, of course, you have to do your own research. If you find it useful, you can go with my. Or the second thing is you can check out their smart contract here. 3919 holders. If this number is decreasing rapidly, that means people are selling it. And if this number is suddenly surging, so you need to bookmark this. If this number is suddenly surging, that means you can go for it because the token is about to pump anytime soon. So that's a kind of quick indicators I can say. So right now you can see the trade has been stagnated. People are slowly and slowly not buying any token because this is the holiday season. People are taking holidays. They are celebrating New Year, Christmas. So again, you will see the tokens, or maybe not this token, even other tokens also stagnate a bit. Be it Pong, be it Jesus, or be it GROK. Those tokens will also stagnate over the next few days, from let's say 25th to let's say the first week of Jan. And then again, when we start with the new year, the things will pick up momentum. So of course, that can be possible, that is pretty much possible. So don't be disappointed if you don't see any movement of these tokens, because yeah, this token will take time. The week is we are on the holiday season, and because of the holidays, less number of trades will be placed. But I have already told you the buying zone is good. Check out or the look out for the total number of holders. If the number stagnated, that is okay. If the number increased, that means the token can pump. But if the number decreased rapidly, that means the token is about to dump. So be very careful about it. So that is some of the indicators that I use. So what are the indicators you use? Of course, I'm very happy to hear it in the comment section. So let me go through the comments right away. And okay, it is a good entry. Yes, everyone is bullish. People are not believing because it is still too early. Yes, people are not believing because it is very early. If you told someone about this token, if you told someone about Yoto right now, they will not buy it. A regular buyer will not buy Yoto token. Why? Because it is very early. Even the candle, like I showed you, is just 3 to 4 days old. You can see the 4-hour chart. You can see below the date, 20th of December 2023, and we are standing at 24th, 23rd or 24th. So clearly you are very early. So if you share this information with anyone who is new to crypto or who does not invest much in any meme coins or stuff like that, he will not invest in it. That is very true. That is true with any other, be the stock market stock or anything. So that can happen. So that is quite possible. So Yoda is fire up much early consolidation. Consolidation is happening. Yes, it is happening. Yoto unpluggable, Yoto for the people. Okay, we have this token. When you say to invest a bit of your for Yoto, what figures are we looking at? So that's the price is very low, so you can invest what you can afford to lose. That is my motto. Invest only what you can afford to lose, or you can invest according to your targets. If you want to make, let's say, $100 out of investment at some point in time, so invest that much amount of money. If you can think the token can hit 0.001, so you can invest up to that point, so that when you it reach the 0.001, you will get that money out. So again, it's up to you. There's no fixed number how much to invest, what to invest. What I can say, invest only what you can afford to lose. So that is the whole idea. And invest only which you can recover fast back again by investing in other tokens or maybe by your regular day job. So that's how you should look at these tokens, because we don't know where the future lies. What we can do is look at the project, review it, look at the charts, predict it, where the chart is going, and then we can decide where all the things are happening. Yes, Yoto is a tribute token to the goat Jonathan. Yes, founder. Yes, that is true. Loki, you are right. Rini is saying okay. So yeah, positive sentiments around this one before you enter the holiday season. Of course, this can be something to look forward to. Very early stage, of course. And the second thing, I think I'm again reminding you, go check out this part, which is 80% of supply one. This is another token, Jesus. If you are just arrived here in the room, so this is another meme coin. Look at this. What will happen to this if 80% of supply is burnt on 25th of December? So I'm looking forward to it. And of course, Yoto is on my top of my mind. This is a chart. Consolidation is happening. So again, a very good buying zone, according to me, right now. And if it dumps, it will crashes. If it pumps, it will definitely go up. So yeah, that I can say about this token. So if you have any analysis or thoughts about a token, please do share in the comments. I'm happy to hear. And if you want to support my work, you can always give me super chats or maybe stickers or whatever you like. Or maybe I have ETH address below. You can donate some Ethereum to me. I'm happy for it. I will create more such content for you. And I love creating videos on cryptocurrencies. Love enjoying them. I dedicate I dedicate all my time exploring these projects and presenting it to you at the earliest, so that you don't miss out on any such gains. And that's why we have a dedicated Telegram group for you, so that you can you don't miss out on any such news which came across, uh, that can actually make you money. Yeah, so I think that is pretty much about it. If there is anything I have to cover, let me just check it out. And Let me see if I can find something interesting for you once more. So this is where I go here and let me go to categories. Okay, categories. So in my channel, I have already covered Caspa. If I search Caspa, you can see I have already talked on 4th of August 2023. I talked about Caspa token. So this is the video that I published that was very early during the very early stages. So I have talked about Casper token. That was the time when it was going to, pump. It was about to pump. So if someone who watched this video and invested in Casper must have made money. So that was my, how many months? More than uh, 4 to 5 months back, right? So this is about Casper. That was the video I created, and now the another video now Yoto. Yoto is the video which I created recently. So again, it is up to you to decide whether or not you want to invest or whether you want to see off this token and leave it right over there, right? Uh, so yeah, pretty much it, pretty much about it, and yeah, if anything else I need to cover. So check back the category, go to this meme, and right now you don't see Yoto in the list. Right now, you don't see Yoto in the list. So that is a good thing. That means we are very early. You see Doge, Chip, these are the mothers of meme coins, mothers and fathers of meme coins. Bonk is the one that flipped Pepe, and now Corgi AI flipped Pepe. So these two tokens are kind of, pretty bullish. Bonk, Corgi, and Pepe. These three. And if you go down, this is another token, COQ INU, which I covered, I think, 4 to 5 days back. This is also one of the tokens you should look at if you are interested in Avalanche blockchain. I have talked about this token. I think, let me show you it here. COQ. So this is another meme coin. And if you see here, yeah, this is COQ INU. So I have covered this token sometime back. And I think, let me show you this chart also. I think I missed it. COQ. COQ Inu. Yeah, this is a chart. It is live on KuCoin, and I think it can be bought from Dex, Avalanche Dex also. So this is the this is a COQ Inu. If you're interested in Avalanche, you can check out this token. Another meme coin here, and likewise. So Snack is there. Snack is also popular meme coin. This one is on Cardano and Dogelon Mars. This is again on Solana. This dog is again on Solana blockchain. I have also talked about it. Yes, I have covered this token also. SAMO. See, I have covered this token on 25th of May. So I covered token long before they went into mainstream or started pumping. So okay, My Lady, everyone knows about My Lady. So this is Jesus token right now. It is up and Toshi. So likewise. So there are a lot of meme coins you should look for if you are interested. Of course, not everyone is good. Most of them will dump, but again, only few will pick up, and the few I've already discussed. Bonk is there, Grok is there. If it pumps back again, Jesus coin is there. You have then finally you have Yoto is there. So all this meme coin has a high chance of pumping in future. Maybe in 2024. That all depends on the bull run. Let's see how it goes, how it went, and wait and watch. If you are not, if you're in the midway, if you are not able to decide what to invest, where to invest, wait for your time. There are a lot of tokens that are launched every day. So you don't be in a hurry to just buy the token and lose money. uh, do some research, understand their backstory. If you're investing in meme coins, learn their backstory, what the token is talking to you, from where it is coming from, any clue of the team, any clue of the backstory. So Yoto has a very strong connection with Kespa, so pretty clear, pretty obvious. This token can pump if the market situation improves more. There are high chances of this token will pump, that is for sure, because it has a backstory with Kespa associated with it. So that's how you can connect with the meme coins. A meme coin with a good backstory will pump 90% of the time. If not, of course, that is bad luck, but it will pump. Good backstory, good open tokenomics, of course, and good number of holders are the sign of a success of a token. Plus, plus another thing is that community is very essential. Check out their Twitter handle, check out their Discord, check out the activity. If the activity is good, you can invest in those tokens. Otherwise, leave it. There are a lot of meme coins that are, you know, pumped every day, listed every day. So yeah, being early is the, yeah, can be a good thing, but that can also be, detrimental in the short term. But again, do your research and of course invest only what you can afford to lose. With that, I think uh, your investment should your investment should be like that, right? And of course, do not put all your money in the one basket, like they say. Do not put everything into one token, and then if you lose it, you will lose everything. So again, be very diligent before investing. So that's about the meme coin. So that's about, I think, about the Yoto token. Pretty much about the Yoto token. The website is good. The social handles are good. It is going up in value soon. In the number of followers are increasing. So that is quite positive. So let's see how it goes from here. Let's see. So this is my post. Wow. So like he said, so they have posted my tweet also. Thank you, Yotoshi page, for posting this. Thank you very much. And let's go back and see any notification if I have. So this is about this. Again, if you want to buy, it is on Radium Dex. It Do not buy it from anywhere else, and only copy the smart contract, the correct smart contract. I've shared this post in the description of the video. This post is written by me, and below that you can see the smart contract written here. If you don't find the smart contract, go to their main Twitter handle and you will find the smart contract, which is right over here. Right? So this is the smart contract. Copy this and go to Radium, paste it. Oops, and again. Oops. And again, you can just make a trade with that. So that's how easy you can do it, right? Any confusion? If you're not able to understand, do not force yourself in buying it. There always new token is there to, you can go for. I showed you COQ INU, I showed you Jesus, I showed you Yoto, I showed you GROK. So all these tokens are there. Bonk is there. Of course, buying at the right price point is very much essential. So wait and watch. If you make the right entry point, get in early and get out early is the name of the game for the meme coin. And get in at the lowest price possible. Do not buy at the highs, especially for the meme coin, because once the meme coin pumped, it is very difficult for it to pump again. So again, enter at the right price point at the bottom. Try to do it if you believe in the project. Otherwise, leave that. There are new project, new potential tokens that are coming almost every day. So yeah, save your money, save your cash, and that's pretty much about it. So I think that's about it. I think if you like the video, do thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. And you can support my work by PayPal me. The link is shared below. And also you can also donate Ethereum. I accept ETH. The address is shared below. And of course, I enjoyed listening to your queries, answering your queries, and of course discussions. Join me on Telegram, and of course subscribe. And happy holidays and happy new year. That's about it. I think with that the live stream of this year, the last live stream of this year ended, and I will come back again with the new tokens. Yes, I will come back with a new token with total new potential. Let's see how it goes in 2024. I'm quite bullish in 2024, but yeah, let's wait and watch. Let's decide where it all goes. Yeah, with that, I see you off. Thank you for watching. Thank you for enjoying. Yoto, you only live once to buy Yoto. YOLO means Yoto. Yeah, that's my mantra. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Happy holidays. Enjoy your day and live a healthy life. I know you will make money, you will be rich, and your parents will be proud of you. So with that, I take off. See you. See you tomorrow in the new video. And yeah, see you in the new year also. Thank you.